So now we see our battery right here. Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here, and today we will be showing you how to replace your old PS3 DualShock 3 battery with a new one right here. Okay, so we have our old DualShock 3 PS3 controller right here. It is no longer powering up. As you can see, there's no light right here. This just means that the battery inside the controller is already busted and it's no longer charging, even though we tried to charge it by plugging it in from the slot right here. So it's no longer receiving charge, which is why you will try to replace the battery right here with a new one. We got this from a store online. So this is for PlayStation 3 DualShock controllers. So as you can see, this is the battery right here, and it also includes a PS3 cable right here. So let's open this up. So this is what we got from the package. We have our PS3 cable right here. And we have our replacement battery right here. So as you can see, it only has one plug right here, which I would say would make our replacement a bit easier. So we just have to plug this, I would assume. Also, if you wanted, there are instructions on the back of the package right here. If ever you really needed instructions, so step by step, you can see the back of the package right here. Okay, so now all we need is a Phillips screwdriver right here, a really small one. And we have to remove all 5 screws on the back of the controller right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now we have removed the Phillips screws on our DualShock 3 controller. So we should be able to pry this open from the middle part right there. So let's do that right now. So here we go guys, we have already removed the back cover of our DualShock 3 controller. So this is what it looks like. Just be careful not to let these buttons on top right here fall, but it's really just easy to put them back right there. It has corresponding notches, so you'll be able to put them back easy. The important thing is you make sure they are working, like so. Okay, so just a tip right there. So this is the battery, the old one, which we are about to replace with the new one that we have bought online right here. Plus you can see there's just 2 wires coming out of the old battery, the red and black right there, and it's connected to the board right here. So I believe that that is the one we should be removing, so we can ultimately replace the battery. So let's do that right now. So you've seen me do it. I just used a pair of scissors to remove the plug right here. So you see the slot right there for the battery cord. So now we should be able to replace our old battery with the new one. So out with the old battery and in with the new. Firstly, we should put the cord back right there. So there you go, guys. We have successfully inserted the battery cord to the slot on the board right there. So we just need to put the battery back in place right here. And as you can see, our controller is now working. Perfect. Right there. It's blinking again. So now all we have to do is put back the cover, the back cover, and we should be done. And there we go, guys. We have put back the 5 screws on the back of the DualShock 3 controller. All buttons are working. These ones, yes, they are working. The sides are good. So we have put back the back cover nicely. Perfect. And now our new battery is inside and installed correctly. So our controller is now alive once again right there. So all we need to do now is charge this with the included cable right here. And we should be good to go. And we should be off to the races and playing some games again. Perfect. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked our content for today, and I hope that we have shown you at least a little thing here. If you have an old DualShock 3 controller which you really didn't want to let go, so you can buy one of these online. I'll put a link on the video description so you'll have an idea on where to purchase it. And please use our video right here as a guide on how to replace your old battery with the new one which you have purchased. So please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click on the link right here, and I also put it on the video description. So please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell. Select all so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.